Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and list property on Trivago. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply start our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all go to your website, type in trivago.com and get to the official website. Here in this case you're going to find this kind of interface, right? So at the very first thing I want you guys to know is that you need to get your property listed on these platforms, which is over here: booking.com, Expedia, hotels, Vrbo, and trip.com, Priceline, etc. These are the website where your property has to be listed. Once you have listed your properties over there, you will be able to come over here in this Trivago and simply choose to list your property. If you go down to the bottom here in the section, even if you go to this option of Trivago Business Studio, which will actually help you access a business studio, even if you go to this option of register for free, you will have to first obviously create yourself an account, and even after that you won't be able to have an option for you to simply register your property. So for the matter, simply go ahead, first of all register your property over here on any of the platforms, right? Once you have done so, you will simply be able to find yourself an option where it will allow you to also make it available on Trivago. So that is the only way available for you. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.